Hello, this is Maria Fuster reporting for smartphone-biz-news.com. We're at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona and we're with FonYou, with Albrecht. Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. Thank you very much for coming and visiting us and for your interest in FonYou.
Well, thank you for receiving us. Please tell me about FonYou. What is it that you do?
Well, FonYou started actually with the idea of how would mobile telephony look like if we invented it today in the internet age. Would we still have, for example, a physical distribution chain and sell phones through shops, or would we do everything online? Would we, for example, offer customer care through a call center, or would we do it through email and using chat or any kind of online tool which is much more efficient? So what we have developed is a product targeting active internet users, which allows them to manage all their mobile telephony online. It's, just to give you the very short way of describing it, your cell phone online, your mobile telephone in the internet. Instead of putting the internet on your mobile phone, it's the cell phone online. So it's exactly the opposite.
Well, let's see how it works so we can understand it better.
Great. What I will show you now is the user experience when people use the service, when they make calls, when they receive calls, and especially when they're sitting in front of their PC using a screen, and how they experience actually this new product in a completely different way.
Okay, excellent.
So what you see on the screen is a register which is part of the personal website of any one of our customers. So when they would get in here, they would see all their calls, all their messages, all their text messages, and they can manage them as if they were emailed. For example, what you see here is a missed call from a guy called Miguel, who called at a certain time, and what you can do with that is you can filter it, you can sort it, and actually do with this, handle it as if it was your Gmail account or your Hotmail account. For example, another important application is the Smart Address Book, an online phone book where you can back up all your contacts. They're stored safely. And what is very new and totally revolutionary for our service is that for each of these contacts you can specify a personal voicemail greeting, which means, for example, if your friend calls you, you could have a very friendly greeting, and if your boss calls you, you would have a formal greeting, or if your mother called you, you would say, "Hi mom, can't take your call right now." This is completely new. There's no mobile operator offering this kind of features, which makes this service very special.
Okay, and very unique. Tell me, what was the reception been so far? How are people reacting to your app?
We launched this service on the market last year in summer, and we've managed to establish ourselves on the Spanish market as actually on the internet segment as a leader in mobile telephony. If you, for example, search FonYou on Google, you will see that we have much more presence than, for example, any one of the new mobile operators such as Simyo. We are presenting now at the Mobile World Congress our solution, our business and technology solution for mobile operators throughout the world, so they can launch this new kind of product to their customers with their brand, to either position them or reposition their brand as an innovative player, or to acquire new customers, or one very important thing for mobile operators, to offer a sticky product which reduces churn. For example, if you have an online agenda with all your contacts which you have personalized, you will think twice if you change the operator, if you lose all this information and all these, let's say, powerful tools to handle your mobile communication.
Okay, very interesting. And tell me, how has the Congress been so far? Have you been able to find the partners that you were looking for?
I think the Congress has shown so far that there's a lot of interest in the solution and the offer that we're having. Of course, we've talked to the hundreds of people, and I hope that after the Congress, when we do the follow-up, we see the, let's say, concrete partnerships which we can start working on.
And what are the expectations for 2010?
Well, in 2010 we have like a couple of important projects. Here in Spain we are going to launch the service with our own SIM card, and on the other hand, the other big objective which we have is to make this a global service. We want to be the leading pioneer in online mobile telephony service. So what we will do now is, of course, by offering the service to other mobile operators, be present throughout the globe during the next couple of years. And 2010, in that sense, is the starting point of this new adventure.
Of a very ambitious plan, for sure. Well, we wish you the best of luck. I'm sure you will be very lucky, and have a wonderful 2010 then.
Thank you very much. Very nice
Thank you.
talking to you.